Hey everyone, I am back in the downstairs bathroom where I had put the vanity in. There's something that has been missing here for quite some time, finally getting around to doing it, which is a towel rack. So figure putting it somewhere right around here should be pretty good, because that way we got the sink right here, whip your hands right afterward, and it's high enough out of the way, and it also leaves room right here to be able to put a mirror up. It's a Glacier Bay towel ring, not that expensive, got a big box store. We've got wall anchors and screws. If you are mounting into a stud, you just use the screws direct into the wood through the drywall. And if you are mounting just into drywall with nothing behind it, you drill a larger hole, put the wall anchor in, and then the screw will go into the wall anchor, spreads it, and makes it grab into the sheetrock drywall to lock it in place. And I did two things. One was to check behind the wall, because the other side of this is the furnace room, which is not sheetrocked, and I can see where the studs are, and I know that one is right here. Another way, at least on this wall, I was able to tell, is there are some little divots here, which are from where the drywall taper didn't really do a stellar job, and you've got some sink marks here, which is probably an indication of where the screw was, where they put in some sort of a patch. All right, so we're going to start by lining this up. I know the screw is right there. I'm going to lower this just a little bit just to cover that mark. Just draw a little mark under so I can get the two edges. Okay. Now we take our bracket, and then you can either, I'm going to just eyeball it, but you could also measure and line it up, but I'm going to just kind of eyeball this. Okay, see that there, that it's bubbles in the middle. Mark my screw holes. I'm going to pre-drill these pilot holes. So what I did is I just picked a drill bit that's a little bit smaller than the screw. And you can also see I've got this where it's just about the same depth as the screw. And let's drill these out. And put the first screw in. Get it most of the way. Okay. Dial the speed down. I've got that one snugged, this one's a little loose. So I'm going to put my level back up here. Pretty good right there. And hold that in place. Okay, this has a set screw right under here. That's a little flat blade. If you want to get a small screwdriver set, I found this on Amazon. It's I think it's Pro Tools, and they've got a really good bit selection. So we back this out. Let's see, it was backing out here. This is going to line up in this slot here. Get rid of the pencil marks. There we go. That's on there. Move that out of the way. And then snug this down. And there we go. Alright, so real quick install, only took a few minutes. This is something I think most do-it-yourselfers can do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. As always, please hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell, let you know when I'm posting new videos. Also helps with the algorithm. If you like the video, please also leave a comment if you have any suggestions on other projects or things I can do better. It's all much appreciated. I do read every comment. And until the next video, see you later.